Hi and welcome to Learn to Knit with Tilde at the Orry Mill. In just a few videos I am going to show you how to get started on a lifelong crafting passion. We'll be knitting It's Pure Baltic beanie. This one is a simple garter stitch design specially made for complete beginners. So let's look at what's in the Pure Baltic beanie kit. You'll find the Pure Baltic beanie pattern, a 100-gram ball of round big wool. The reason we're using big wool is that it's very forgiving, so excellent for beginners, and we can get a hat out of just one ball. There is a pair of 10mm wooden knitting needles. I find learners work better on wood, that's why you'll find them in the kit. And you also get a pair of darning needles to sew up your garment with. Finally, what's not in the kit but you will need is a pair of scissors to cut your ends with. You can use any scissors, it doesn't have to be special embroidery scissors.